Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You, and 12 plus years of IT industry experience. Friends, there are two big news which is coming here, breaking news which is coming here. The first one is from Accenture. So, friends, Accenture has now released a timeline where they are telling that within 25 to 28 days your recruitment process will be completed and you will be getting your final result. That means you are selected or rejected. Second is, friends, DeltaX, right? So one of the top company is hiring, and the package they are offering is 7 lakhs per annum, right? So that also we will talk in detail, friends. So this is a very good opportunity, wonderful opportunity, and this DeltaX hiring is for the batch of 2025. Whereas if we'll talk about Accenture, so Accenture, friends, basically will be conducting 2025 on campus, and their off campus will be always open. We will talk more in detail, right? So this is DeltaX hiring. One by one we will see each and everything, right? But friend, this is a big update which is coming here from Accenture, where they're clearly telling that from pre-placement talks till your result announced, hardly it will take 25 to 28 days. Now friends, so if you are seriously preparing for the Accenture, then I would like to tell you, friends, we are already conducting free live classes on YouTube. So you can say 6 days ago. So Accenture 12th of July, we are covering the July month questions which has been asked in Accenture, which will give you a proper idea that what kind of questions you are going to expect in the examination. And today at 7 p.m. Isa ma'am is going live for the verbal ability class. Verbal ability you will be having, you can see here 17 questions will be asked from verbal ability, right? So the complete details I will tell you in this videos as well, so you don't have to worry at all. Before that, what you do, friends, because we are putting lot of effort, appreciate our effort, please like the video and share it. And also, friends, join the Telegram group where all the informations you will be getting. Also, you and your colleague will be able to help each other, so this is must. And we have also created a WhatsApp group for 2025 and 2026 batch. Please do join the WhatsApp group. We are doing everything for you only, so you do not have to worry at all, right? Okay, if you are searching for the links, friends, I would like to tell you, so this is the link. If you are eligible, please go ahead and apply for Accenture. This is Application Development Associate 2021 till 2024, System and Application Service Associate 2021 to 2024. We will talk about Accenture crash course sometime, which will give you a very good confidence in clearing Accenture, right? Okay, anyway, so let's come back and see so what Accenture has done. So friend, Accenture is going on campus now, and in on campus they have done a very good thing. So in pre-placement talk they told, see, this is how will be our timeline, right? So your cognitive assessment will be happening within 1 to 5 days, daily 2 to 3 slot examination they are going to conduct. If you will clear cognitive, same day coding will be conducted. Then for communication round you will be called, and then for virtual interviews you will be called, and then your result will be announced. Now one by one let us try to understand. So in pre-placement connect, right? So suppose if it is happening today, so this will be a virtual event. And friends, this is for 2025 batch. For 2021 to 2024 offline, it is happening off campus. Basically I showed you link. If you are eligible, please go ahead and apply. Many of you might have lot of queries if you are from 2021 till 2024 batch. Friends, I will tell you, nobody has any clear information that today if you filled the form, why are you getting you are not eligible, right? Accenture has a cooling period of 3 months, so within 90 days you should not write the exam twice. That is clear. But again, there are still a lot of queries that, sir, after registering I am getting not eligible, or getting eligible after that I am not getting assessment date, after round 1 I am not getting called for round 2. So a lot of doubts are there, and I'm telling you, we do not have any answer. You need to contact Accenture support team only. Okay, now so when we talk about ongoing on campus recruitment by Accenture, then the pre-placement connect they are doing. So virtual event, students participate in pre-placement events and college connects. Okay, now next they are telling, so there will be assessment day 1 to 5 within 1 to 5 days they will be conducting the assessment, because in one day they are having limited slots, right? So you can see cognitive and technical assessment, if cleared then coding assessment on the same day. 2 or 3 slots per day are there. So friends, it is very very clear. If you clear the cognitive, okay, then only on the same day you will be writing the coding. So this is your right, so this is your elimination round, right? That means if you don't clear, elimination round, okay, and this is again your coding is also your elimination round. Okay, now we will talk one by one about that. So round one, both are elimination round, cognitive and your coding assessment, right? Okay, so if you clear cognitive, then same day you write coding. Okay, after that friends, 7 to 10 days, between 7 to 10 days you will be called for the communication assessment. What is communication assessment? I will also take you through the syllabus. So assessment day 1 to 5, right? So friends, if you go here and see this particular video, right? So in cognitive, right? So in cognitive ability, so total 50 questions will be there. So cognitive plus technical, right? Total 90 questions will be there. Okay, and you will be given time 90 minutes, right? So this video link will be also there in this particular video description. So you can check out all the links will be there in this video description. Now friends, verbal ability 17 questions are there. So that's the reason you do not have to miss today's class. Don't take verbal ability. Don't take verbal ability in a very easy way, because the level of the questions will be good and there will be sectional cutoff as well, okay, and overall cutoff as well. Now friends, next thing which you will see, so verbal ability 17 question, in cognitive ability, critical reasoning and problem solving 18 questions will be there, abstract reasoning 15, total 50 questions will be there. Then if we'll talk about technical assessment, 40 questions will be there, common application and MS Office, networking and security and cloud and pseudocode. Now if you go to again here, and if you'll check, right, if you'll go to home, right, and if you'll see, my dear friends, so if you'll go to home, right, videos, right, so here you can see the last video which I have done is on Accenture only, right? So Accenture 5th of July, cognitive, MS application, networking, cloud, actual question. So I am trying to do as much as possible. So please subscribe to the channel so that you will not be missing anything, right? Okay, so that you should not miss here. Now friends, so this is the all about I wanted to tell you, and this video will give you the complete information about either your cognitive, right? So if you go ahead, right, so this complete explanation I have given, okay, so what all things you have to prepare, how you have to prepare, right? Even in round one syllabus, so in cognitive what all topics you need to read, right? So this video is quite exploratory itself. So here you will be getting all the information. Some links also I have put it so that you will not have any kind of problem, right? So Accenture will be hiring for 2 roles, ASE and advanced ASE roles. Okay, now so let us go back and see. So next is what? So friends, what is communication round? So if you talk about communication round, right, so your communication round is nothing but it's like spoken, like how good you are at reading the English sentences, how good you are at repeating, how good you are at spoken, all those things they will judge. So this also we have made some videos, it's on our channel itself. That link also I will try to put in this particular video, right? So a student who clear assessment receive link for the communication round. So if you clear both cognitive, okay, if you clear both cognitive and technical, and then if you clear the coding assessment, then only you will be called for your communication assessment, right? Then only you will be called for communication assessment. Then after that, so 7 to 10 and then 12 to 13, day 12 to 13, you will be having virtual interviews, right? So a student will be invited for the online virtual interview. Now, so if you clear the interview here, virtual interview, so virtual interview, friend, Accenture interview is very very easy. They will not be asking many technical questions. For ASE role at least, you will be asked mainly technical HR related questions kind of. And then result announcement, so day 25th to 28th, results announced for the role, right? So associate software engineer and advanced associate software engineer, ASE and advanced ASE role, they will be hiring here, right? So that will give you a clear, and I'm very happy that now Accenture has come up with some timelines, so the students will have a clarity that okay, this is there. Now friend, the DeltaX is hiring for 2025 batch. Okay, so I have also put the timelines, so there you will be able to see. Okay, now so Accenture is basically hiring for DeltaX is hiring for 2025 batch, and the package which they are offering is very good, 7 LPA package they are offering. So dear student, greetings from training and placement cell. So this is on campus once again. Okay, so this is once again on campus, friends. So it is not off campus. Okay, So dear student, greetings from the training and placement cell. We are going to participate in a campus drive by DeltaX for 2025 batch student. Registration link. Okay, for participating, complete your registration on or before 2nd of August by 10 a.m. Don't ask for the link, because this link you will be getting from your training and placement department itself. Date of drive will be announced soon. Okay. Now, why it is coming like this? Okay, fine. Okay, so now DeltaX is a data driven, so it's a very good company, friends. I saw many of them were telling, so DeltaX, how is the company? It's a very good company. They have also given the complete process here. So designation will be associate product engineer, full stack developer. Location will be Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. Okay, candidate will go through a training boot camp for 4 months and transform into full stack developer. Your role will be that of associate product engineer. This entails a good level of exposure to front end database, backend and background services. CTC offered will be 7 lakhs per annum. Training period will be 4 months. Eligibility criteria: BTech CSE, CSE IML, CSE DS, okay, ELCE minimum. Overall 50% they wanted, or 6 CGPA in 10th, 12th and BTech. Hiring process: you will be having online MCQ test. Shortlisted student from the MCQ test will be having online coding test, and shortlisted student from online coding test will have interview, and selects made an offer to join. Okay, now, so friends, after this, if you will try to see what all basically are there in the Google form. So DeltaX campus drive registration. So here email ID you have to put. Okay, after email ID, name of the student. After that, branch, so CSE artificial intelligence machine learning, and then ELCE computer major. So this is basically for the computer major only. Registration number, gender, your date of birth, right? And then if you'll see, so 10 CGPA minimum 50% is compulsory. 12th diploma 50%. BTech CGPA 6 is compulsory. Technical skills, if you are good at C, C++, Java.net. Your mobile number, alternative mobile number, email ID, preferred location Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune. They are doing the hiring. Updated CV, resume, URL link, and I'm ready to relocate if given the offer and agreed with company's terms and condition, right? So friends, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group, because we will be giving you all the updates which we will receive. Thank you, take care, and all the very, very best. We will keep working hard for you all. You also have to keep working very, very hard. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best.